if you want to lock apps with your fingerprints on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then all you need to do is go to the settings. Then in the settings we need to find and go to apps. And then over here go to app lock. We need to turn on this option. And first we need to set up the password that will be used as a backup for our fingerprint. So we can either use the pattern or we can press change password over here in order to choose a different type, such as the pin code or password. And I'm gonna actually use a pin code. Now we can enter the pin code that we wish to use, or the password, of course, in general, that we wish to use to unlock these apps. If you see this information about Xiaomi account, we can skip this by pressing not now. And then after 5 seconds, we can press not now again. There we go. Now we have suggestions of apps that can be locked. So let's say I'm gonna choose all of these that are already selected, and we're gonna proceed. Now I can turn on my fingerprint for the app lock. Of course, you need to have the fingerprint set up before that, or you can just go back and to the settings and set up the fingerprint and then go back to the app lock settings in order to enable the fingerprint sensor. If you had the fingerprint added before, then now you should have seen the option to use your fingerprint in order to turn it on for the app lock. And now, of course, you can also choose which apps will be locked. So let's say I'm gonna stick with these, but if you wish to remove the password for the app, then you can tap on the switcher, and the same goes with apps that you wish to add and set up the password for them. And of course the fingerprint as well, because it is pretty much the same thing. So in order to now make sure that we can use the fingerprint, we can also go to the settings of the app lock. So over here in the top right corner, we can tap on the setting icon. And now here in biometrics, as you can see, we can enable and disable fingerprint unlock. So if you have added the fingerprint after you have enabled app lock, then you can go to these settings here and you can make sure that the fingerprint unlock option in biometrics is enabled. And that is pretty much it. So now if you try to open any app that you have selected, as you can see, now you have to use your fingerprint in order to unlock the app. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.